Hey, what's up heroes, it's Heroek back with another unboxing. Bit of a different unboxing today though, because today we have the Logitech Pro X SE gaming headset, the wired version as well. So let's check it out. Right off the bat, a cool box. I really like the black design of it. In case you don't watch my videos, I have mostly black clothing in my closet. And on the back here it says keep playing, but then in the light it becomes really clear that there's all these other specs listed on it as well. Opening up the box here, we got some instructions on one flap, lots of little tabs to pull and everything, but then they're out. Wow, that was stupid. Anyways, taking a look now, we got this little USB piece here, along with the actual headphones hanging here. Cool little Logitech imprint here behind where the headphones were. But in terms of actual hardware, it looks like you're getting the headset, a little USB dongle here, and some other cables, mics, and pieces. Without any cables set up or anything, this is the headphones right out of the bag. Really slick silver kind of look. It says Pro on top of the headband. Pretty comfortable also. I mean, this is like without any sound or anything playing. My voice is very muffled. I can barely hear myself. Here's that USB I was talking about. It says Pro right there. So let's see what all of this is. A little warning and facts sheet, it looks like. It looks like we got a microphone, a mic and headphone splitter, and another cord for the headphones. On that last cable, we have a little piece with mic controls and whatnot, and actually even a little clip that I'm guessing you can clip on to your clothing if you want. And that makes it sort of self-explanatory, you know, you want that near you. But just in case, they have little tags that tell you which side goes into the headphones and which one goes into the dongle. It's still not plugged into anything, but here's the headset a bit more set up with, you know, the movable microphone, the cable that can go into your dongle, splitter, controller, whatever. Now I have it connected to my Xbox. Not playing anything, but just moving around the home screen, hearing those menu sounds. It sounds really good, especially with the noise cancellation again. It makes it oh, I just realized a bit of spatial audio, I guess, or surround sound. It's certain sounds or buttons are happening over in this ear, or whatever. But yeah, they sound good. Checking the audio now. The mic works, which is honestly, with the history I've had with gaming headsets, a huge plus. I'm in an Xbox party right now and I can see it lighting up as soon as I speak. That's awesome. So yeah, this seems like a great headset. If you're like me and you don't have a big, fancy, expensive gaming PC setup, then spending the $70-ish on this can be a bit much, but I've used not this exact model, but I think the XSE wireless, basically very similar to these, but they have a couple buttons for mic control, turning on and off, and you charge them and then use them wireless to the computer. And those ones, what I've seen is they will last you plenty of time. So that's kind of why I appreciate these and will definitely be taking care of them. I've had so many $20, $30 headsets that come in, they work for 2-3 months, then the mic stops working. Overall, the sound quality isn't great. These are, as far as I've heard, a pretty good multi-year option. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Blank canvas.